Welcome, I'm is a Huawei Y6 from 2019, and today I'll show you how to put the device into download mode. Now before we get started, we will need a cable for this, and all you need to do is plug it into your computer. From there, let's start by powering off the device, so hold power key and simply select power off. There we go. And wait for the device to shut off. So from there, once it has, what you want to do is hold power key, or not power key, volume up and volume down. And while holding both of those keys, volume up and down, simply plug it in. Now keep holding those buttons. And there we go. We're now in the download mode. As you can see, it's installing update. Now this will take about 10 to 20 minutes probably, and it will look like it's stuck at 5% for the entirety of the time, so just don't freak out, everything is okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it run through it, and I'll be back once it actually has finished. So as you can see, the process is almost finished now. We can unplug it. And there we go. Now it's still gonna pop me up with a screen lock and pattern, or pin I mean. There we go, pin. And then the pattern. There we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.